Like a lot of you, I like to keep a lot of loose change in my car. You know, it's good to handy to have around in case you got to feed a parking meter or you want to have the right number of money as you come up to the drive-thru or something. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to have a lot of change laying around in plain sight for some drugged up, jacked up thug to come along, just bust a window out just to get to your change. Here's what you do. You take your old coffee cup, clean it out, put it in your car, and anytime you get some loose change, pop it right there in the drink hole of your coffee cup. The coffee cup drink hole. How about that? And then you ain't got loose change laying about your vehicle, acting as bait for some thug to come along and bust your windshield out. I call this one here my 401k. This one here is for a rainy day, and this here's a college fund. In case I go down by the college campus there, they got a nice little hamburger hut like to hit every now and then. Nice little money hide. Keep that money hidden for them hooligans all jacked up on the reefer, gonna bust out your window to get your change. Best popcorn ever. Better than the movies.
It's real good.